Next page here is, let's erase some of this stuff. Okay, I'm going to do actually, I think this, I'm going to do one.
What's today? September
13th. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to move, whoops, come on, Mr. Sadler. Come on, you can do it. There we go. Okay, so what I'm going to do here then, excuse me, is you guys are going to pick number A, B, or C, and we'll make an equation. Okay, so here we go. Ethan, okay, stay with me, guys and gals. Ethan, we're going to do with John's question. John earns $220 per week and gets a bonus of $900. Do you recall how to make an equation of this? I can't hear, please. Yeah. Okay, so if you remember, hold on please. If you remember from when we did this in class, whenever you hear Anthony per week, per month, per year, per day, that always goes with X. That's how it always goes. Okay? I'll move on to Thomas right now. Okay? Here's Thomas at the bottom of the page. I thought I changed those she's to he's. I guess I didn't. Okay, so I'm moving to Thomas. Here we go. Stay with us for now. Okay? Okay, let's go to Thomas. Then we get this number 4. Now I guarantee, whoops. This is going to be on our test tomorrow, okay guys? This question I guarantee is going to be on your test. So please put a star in a heart with different numbers. But I might say Jaden has a job where 1 week she gets paid this. I might do that, okay? Yes.
How do you know how many coffee cups he sells them?
Well, that's what we got to find out, okay? So here we go. So there's a job at Tim Hortons, which I don't know if you know, they changed the way they go. Employees get paid now based on how many coffee cups are sold. That is a rip-off for the company, but good for the employee. Why is that? Has anyone ever been to Tim Hortons lately?
They're always selling coffee.
They have millions of coffees they sell a day. Like, my dad was up at lunch one day this week to the one up here by the school, and he went there at 11:45, and then he saw hundreds of teenagers coming here to get coffee and junk food and everything else you guys get at lunch. Okay? So, like, you think of it a place like Toronto, you guys ever been with your parents to the drive-thru? Right, and there's like just a lineup. That's all it is a lineup, right? Like tons of copies are sold a day. So this is a good idea for Thomas. So it says, write Thomas's earnings as an equation. Please remember to declare your variables. Okay, so if it says he gets paid $50 plus 25 cents for each cup of coffee, can someone be brave and try and give me an equation for that one? How does the 25 cents per coffee? Anne, go ahead.
25 cents X plus 50.
Awesome. Okay. Even if Thomas sells 0 cups of coffee, he's still getting $50, right? Okay. Which is about right. I mean, I don't know how long it works. And he earns 25 cents for every cup of coffee he gets. So, one more thing. Bryson, keep your hand up. I'm going to pick on you. What does the X represent in this case, please? X is going to be the number of coffees. Okay. Now, what I want, and Mr. Moore's going to help me here, I hope. Okay? Mr. Moore always helps me. I don't even need to say this. Okay? If you are not clear about where that first thing came from, please either raise your hand or make eye contact with Mrs. Moore right now. So turn your head and do this. So turn your head and do this, okay? Because I need to make sure that that first part is made, or else you're getting nothing on this question, okay? All right, here we go. Make a table of values. I love tables of values. Okay, so here's my table. X 0.25x plus 50. Earnings. The truth is there's no space right now to do this. Whoops. So I'm going to move this over here, move this over here, move this over here. Okay, so it says to do 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 cups. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go 0, 10, 20, and then I'm going to make another one over here, 30, 40, 50. So everyone sort of see what I'm doing there? I'm setting up my equation from sector giggles, whatever that is, giggling. So stay here. So what I did is my X is my coffee, so I'm just going to label it 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Did I say to 50? That's all I said. And then I'm putting the equation in the middle and then earnings on the right-hand side. Okay, so I'll do the first one for you. I'm running out of room here. So this is 0.25 and 0 and plus 50. So my earnings here is going to be 50. Ethan, can you explain to me how I got $50 there, please, for my earnings? Okay, so what I hoped you would have said is you would have typed in your calculator 0.25 into it times 0, which was 0, and then 0 plus 50 is 50. Okay? But you're correct. It is what you earned in a week. All right. Aiden, can you be brave, please? And for 10 cups of coffee, what do I do, please?
So you use 0 decimal 25 and then 0 plus 50.
Careful.
Or, sorry, 10.
Yeah.
And then plus 50.
Okay, so it's going to calculator 0.25 times 10 is 350 plus 50, which is 52. Are most people that were not just joining us today understand where this is all coming from? I hope. And that's all well. Picking on you today because you're being nice, so I'm sad about that. Isabel, as well? Just come back in. Okay, good. Just to show me that you understand, can you do the 20 for me, please?
0.25 times 20 plus 50.
Good. And I found a pattern because I'm a math teacher. So anyone other than me see what the pattern is here with these numbers? Anyone see? He gets paid $2.50 every 10 cups of coffee he sells. Okay, so I don't have to do the rest of the work I'm going to though, but this should be $57.50. This should be 60, and this should be 62.5. Does anyone here work at Tim Hortons? Okay, how many cups of coffee do you think you sell in a day, Anthony? If you had to put a number on it, what do you think?
Probably
200 cups, at least, probably, right? You know what I mean? Or if you're at the beach or something like that, like, it could be a lot more, right? Or if you're like at Tim Hortons that are an attack game, you know what I mean? You can sell food, right? So, can we talk about that after some? Not after
Yeah, so we have this in this chart.
you finish everything. If you can tell me the answers, that's fine. Okay, so let's go here. So now here's the tricky part here. This is where the actual math comes in here, please. So now's the time to focus, okay? So if you're not focusing, this is the key part. It says, Thomas wants to earn 97.50 this week. How much coffee must he sell? There are two ways to do this question. One is algebra. One is to continue the pattern until you hit 97.50, okay? Or start guessing, okay? I'm going to do algebra. The equation I'm going to make up is, I want to end up with 97.50. So I'm going to do 0.25x. Why did I put the equals, and this is where I want you guys to focus, please. Why did you put the equals on the right-hand side in this case? Because that's what you, so Anne, go ahead. That's what it has to be, right? Like we were looking for how many cups of coffee it is, so we're looking for x. Okay? So we're just going to use our good algebra skills here. John, you're going to be the first person to use your good algebra skills. What's the first thing we do to get x by itself? Very good. So it's going to be 0.25x equals 97.50 minus 50. So I get 0.25x equals 47.50. Okay. So what that means is the $50 that he earns automatically gets wiped out. Okay. So he needs to get 47.50 on his coffees. How do I find out how many coffees it actually is? Divide by 0.25, right? I'll write it over here so I can't do that in my head. either one? Or not? So just so you know, Anthony was saying he sells 200 cups of coffee a day. That'd be an extra $50 in your pocket for 200 cups of coffee. Which isn't bad. That wasn't bad for a day. $50 actually. You get okay. So it just turns to an algebra question. Okay?
I got it from my computer, then I calculated it, so it wasn't right.
You plug it back in. So it's 0.25 times 190
Plus 50.
equals, and then plus 50. All right, I'm going to do the last part, and then we're going to move on. I'll come talk to you in a sec, okay? Okay, it says, if Thomas sells 123 cups of coffee, how much will he get? Now, this part should be easier than the last one. I'm going to pick on my good friend Aiden. Aiden, what variable do we know is the cups of coffee? What's the cups of coffee represented in the statement?
Zero decimal 5.
Good. More than that. What one's the cups of coffee? For x, right?
Yeah.
X is your number of coffees. So we're going to say x equals 123. Therefore, my equation is 0.25x plus 50. So it's 0.25 times 123 plus 50. And again, I was doing this question with my grade 9s this morning, no offense. Okay, start with algebra. Then we're just subbing different numbers in. Okay? So I need some brave soul named Hudson to do 123 times 0.25, please.
30.36.
Okay. And it's 80.75. So that's a hard day's work to sell 123 cups of coffee. Okay, that's a hard day's work. You earn $80 or something like that. Okay, sorry that's so low, Dylan. Ann, question.
How did you get the one you used for the question about the 6?
I did 47.5 divided by 0.25.
Is it 8 and
190 inch. I hope this is more confirm that.
Yeah.
It's like dividing by 0.25 is like times by 4. So
Oh, okay.
47.5 times 4 should be. All right, I got 2 pages left. You know, I just put that whole page for you. I'm going to give you a second because at least one person doesn't have it written down yet. Sorry, Johnny. Okay. So take a second, scribble it down if you would. The next 2 pages should be straightforward. Okay, the next 2 pages are easy.